Good morning, and welcome to The Inner Health Way, the place where seniors find practical, science backed tips to stay healthy, independent, and active every single day. If you're over 60 and want to keep your legs strong, stable, and full of energy, you're in the right place. Today's video reveals a powerful yet simple strategy to protect your leg muscles, and it all starts with what you eat for breakfast. Before we dive in, let's talk about why your legs are so important and why they need extra care as you get older. The risk of leg muscle loss. Did you know that after the age of 60, your body can lose up to 33% of your leg muscle mass in just 10 years if you're not careful? According to the National Institute on Aging, the gradual loss of muscle, known as sarcopenia, is one of the leading causes of weakness, balance issues, and falls among older adults. The problem is, muscle loss happens silently. You don't feel pain, you don't see bruises, and you might not even realize it's happening. It starts slowly. Maybe one morning you notice it's harder to get up from your chair, or you feel a bit shaky walking to the kitchen. One reason for this is that while you sleep, your body enters a catabolic state, meaning it starts breaking down muscle for energy, especially the large muscles in your legs. And if you skip breakfast or just drink black coffee, this process accelerates, quietly eating away at your strength and independence. The simple breakfast solution. But here's the good news: you can fight back. And it all starts with breakfast. A balanced breakfast provides the protein, vitamins, and minerals that your muscles need to stay strong. So, what should you eat? First, start with boiled eggs. They're packed with high quality protein, plus vitamin D and B12, which are essential for muscle growth and balance. Next, add oatmeal with chia seeds, a combination that gives you soluble fiber, omega 3s, calcium, and magnesium to support healthy muscle function. And don't forget bananas. They're a natural source of potassium, which helps prevent leg cramps and supports nerve signals between your brain and your legs. With just these three simple foods, you can build a powerful breakfast that keeps your legs strong and your steps steady. Morning habits to build stronger legs. Besides breakfast, there are a few simple habits you can add to your morning routine to strengthen your legs even more. Start with a glass of warm water mixed with a pinch of natural mineral salt, like sea salt or Himalayan salt. This helps restore electrolytes, improves blood circulation to your legs, and prevents cramps. Next, spend a few minutes doing gentle leg stretches, like leg lifts, ankle rotations, and calf stretches, to activate your leg muscles and prepare them for the day. Finally, get some sunlight. Even just 5 minutes in the morning can boost your vitamin D levels, which strengthens bones and supports muscle function. A real life example. Let me tell you about Mr. Alex, a 68-year-old man who struggled to get up from his chair and walk confidently. Every morning, his steps felt slow and heavy, and he often had leg cramps at night. But when he changed his breakfast routine and added a few simple morning exercises, he started to feel his legs getting stronger and his steps more stable. Within weeks, he noticed fewer cramps and more confidence in his movement. Conclusion: don't let your legs grow weaker just because of a poor breakfast or skipping your morning meal. Start today with a nutritious breakfast and a few simple habits that will keep your legs strong, steady, and ready to carry you through the day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more weekly health tips. Stay strong, stay confident, and keep moving forward on your own 2 feet.